This is the 4-in-4-out HDMI Matrix switch. On the left is the LCD indicate screen. Normally you can see the product name and version. There are SW button, cancel button, OK button, 2 buttons. Aside is the console port, used for software control. And one on-off button. This is the back of the switch. 1 DV adapter port. 4 HDMI input ports, used in your PC, computer and so on. And 4 HDMI output ports, used in your TV, monitor, projector and so on. Now plug your HDMI output cables into the output ports. Also your HDMI input cables into the input ports. Last, plug in the power cable. Now, it can start to work. The default mode is O2O mode, which is input 1 cast to output 1, so as the 2 to 4 ports. If you want your input 1 cast to all 4 screens. Firstly, press 1 as input 1, then press 1, 2, 3, 4 1 by 1 as the outputs 1 to 4. Last, press OK. You can see done on the LCD screen, the switch is done. Also you can press SW to see the current switch mode. If you want 2 of the screens play other input, for example, you can firstly press 2 as input 2, then press 1 and 3 as output 1 and 3. Last, press OK. Now you can see screen 1 and 3 are playing input 2. Also, you can check out the current switch mode by pressing SW.